Hi, are you interested in creating international TikTok accounts where you can start making money by uploading your videos? In this video, I will teach you the simplest step-by-step process because some countries are eligible for monetization while some countries are not eligible, but United Kingdom is one of the eligible countries. So today we are creating UK TikTok accounts. Please don't skip any parts so that you can understand it. Before you create the UK TikTok account, there are certain things you need to be aware of. First, if you know you have issue with your phone IP, you need to fix that. Okay, first thing, click on TikTok app. Click on agree and continue. Then scroll down, you see your location and change the current location to United Kingdom. Click on it and search for United Kingdom. It will take you back to your sign up section. You see the location have changed. Go ahead and click sign up. Before you create UK TikTok account, make sure you create it with different email you haven't used before on TikTok. Click continue with email. Enter your email and click continue. A code will be sent to you via Gmail to verify your UK TikTok account. Go back to your Gmail account to verify it. Click on your Gmail. Click on verify email. Add your birthday and click continue. Create your password and click continue. Add your username, which is the nickname, and click continue. And this is the new UK TikTok account. If you want to confirm the account is UK TikTok account, click on the three dots here. Click on balance. Click on monetization. Then scroll down. Once you see creator reward program under monetization, you are eligible now for monetization. For you to start earning, you need to meet up with the monetization requirements. Lastly, there are things you should not do with your UK TikTok account so that TikTok shouldn't shadow ban your account or delete your account. Number 1, don't just start uploading immediately. Number 2, don't log in back to your local TikTok account, else your account will be banned immediately. Number 3, don't do follow for follow back. Make sure you grow it organically. If this video is helpful, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe and share for a friend who also needs it. Thank you.